And if I ask you to brake, fucking brake dude. 3 लोगों के बीच में मत जा.
Okay, got it.
तेरी वजह से मैं नीचे आता हूँ, तू मरता है, मैं भी मरता हूँ.
Sorry. Who is leading? तू लीड कर रहा, मैं लीड कर रहा हूँ. अबे तू तो साला टेक ऑफ करके भाग भी गया भाई.
I'm leading.
Okay.
I may be 17.
Just climb. Okay, that's the only thing I'll say. Don't turn right now. Go straight.
Okay.
How many people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
At least 5.
At least 5. Got it. अबे साला पीछे से गोली मार रहे चूतिया मेरे को.
कौन नाम बता.
पता नहीं मेरे को. 2 लोग थे. छोड़ दे. डोंट. कोई ज़्यादा डैमेज नहीं हुआ मेरे को. छोड़ दे. कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है.
हमरे बंदूक को गोली मारे ऐसे थोड़ी चलेगा.
अरे छोड़ दे, मेरे को पता भी नहीं कौन था तो चक.
दोनों को
2 लोग
देते ना.
अरे पागल है क्या बेफालतू.
वैसे तो बहुत है.
Yeah, flight model is all right. No effect on my aerodynamics.
Where are you, DC?
I am climbing, heading south. On your right side.
I'll climb with 19 degrees as my heading. So we intersect at a point. Because 2 parallel lines never intersect. Actually, I have to decrease my heading.
अच्छा, clouds का क्या करना बता? Above clouds, below clouds.
Above. Clouds are really low. 1500. Clouds are 1500.
I know.
No, I freaking guessed it, dude. That was at 1300 and I guessed it 1500.
No, हाँ तो right. अच्छी estimation हो गई तेरी. That shows कि तूने गेम अच्छे से रट रखी है.
रट नहीं रखी है भाई. Anticipation.
मतलब खेला बहुत है. Actually, your estimation was wrong.
1600. मैं बोलने वाला था, मैं सोचा बोला नहीं. चल छोड़.
अबे ठीक है. Just off by 100 meters, man.
It's time to avenge our debts.
I hate cloud turbulence.
And I love clouds.
So much moisture, man. I fucking hate it.
And I love that because oil stays cool.
Water
stays cool.
It creates too much drag on the aircraft.
Screw that, man. Everything stays so cool.
अबे करना मुश्किल हो जाता है यार.
Real life में ना, गेम में क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
गेम में भी होता है.
I don't give a shit. ठंडा रहता है जब तक मेरे को घंटा भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता है.
बर्फ की भाई डब्बे लेके चलती तो.
ड्रैग तो भाई प्रोड्यूस होता है.
अबे where are the bloody clouds breaking? I'm at 2700.
3000.
3000. Okay.
Actually 2800, 2900 to be precise.
ठीक है, I'm almost out of it. मेरे लिए it's breaking at whoa shit, I'm stalling. Shit. 60 kilometers per hour. I'm going to fall.
You need a hand?
नहीं चल pull up कर लूँगा.
अबे no, there should be a function like Indian roads पे पता है? वो गाड़ी का इंजन बंद हो जाता है, डोरी खींच के लेके जाते हैं. प्लेन में ऐसा होना चाहिए. हवा में.
हवा में. Dude, turn a bit to the inside. We are like way too out.
मैं पीछे से अपने पीछे डोरी छोड़ता, तू अपने में हुक करता, फिर भाई बस.
Lol.
जैसे हेड ऑन आ रहा है ना, अगर हेड ऑन आ रहा है ना, I'll dive down.
हाँ, right, समझ गया.
तू पीछे से मारेगा, फिर मैं ऊपर करूँगा, पिच ऊपर करूँगा थोड़ी, दोनों गोली मारेंगे भाई साहब. Actually we can do that.
Dude, we already have aircrafts in sight and we are nowhere near the kill zone. I'll form up right behind you. Keep flying straight.
You know what? Let these guys get the kills. We'll save some fuel and end में जाएंगे नीचे.
Save some fuel. अबे इंजन तो चल ही रहा है तेरा. What save some fuel?
30% पे कर लेना 44% पे.
पागल है क्या? इस पे क्या उड़ाएगा तू?
Just glide.
Don't
lose altitude. That's it.
अबे तो you won't be able to climb at that altitude.
Once you climb, dude, we're already at 3700. Why would you want to climb? Okay, dude. Jokes apart, I see 2 aircrafts, 12 o'clock. West. Heading is 26.5.
Trying to spot it, I can't. Okay, I see him. I see one. Okay, I see two. I see three. I see three.
I'm going after the last one.
I'll go after the middle then.
Okay, do.
Then make sure you take the last one, okay?
No, the first one will turn, so do one thing, break left.
Raja.
And climb. Break left and climb.
It's a spit.
Break left and climb. Durja.
It's not even coming our way.
Just do as I say.
I'm following you, bhai. I'm just keeping an eye on him. एक है हरिकेन, एक है स्पिट, तीसरा पता नहीं कौन है.
उसके पीछे स्पिट के पीछे कोई नहीं है ना?
नहीं.
चलो स्पिट.
Breaking. Spit, Hurricane, Typhoon. The only thing you need to worry about is now Spit and Typhoon. Hurricane तो dive कर गया.
दोनों will target will go after the same.
Take Typhoon. He's coming head on.
Oh my god.
Yep. I'm going after the Spit. I'm not good with head-ons.
He's going down. He wants me to dive.
Going down?
Yes. No, we'll target the same aircraft. Okay. You go after this, and I go after the Spit.
Spitfire is looking when to turn, dude. That's why I'm not taking any chances.
You stay back then.
Okay,
he has turned actually.
Wow, the Spitfire came head on? Dude, Spit is on you.
No, right. Get him.
I'm on him.
Get that motherfucker. Once he comes head on with me,
I got him, he's smoking hard. I'm on him. Keep my 6 clear.
Don't. Disengage.
Disengaging.
Typhoon in front of me, head on. Abey yaar.
I didn't really have to disengage.
Typhoon was gonna dive, you didn't disengage.
I'm on the Typhoon.
Be patient, you'll get the kill. At least kill assist.
I missed him. That Spitfire crashed. I did get the kill for it. Yeah.
But nah, seriously, Typhoon would have dived on you, no on you.
ठीक है, chill, कोई नहीं.
I made a call.
रे भाई, relax होता है.
No, our aim is to survive.
Exactly.
अभी बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं भाई, एक ही गन मरा.
We got a B fighter down here.
Get the Typhoon first.
I'm on him. I hit him. On him.
I guess we have no aircraft around us.
I'm so going to take this guy down. Almost on him. I got this guy. Yep, he's down.
Down? Nice one.
Goodbye, sweetheart.
Nice one.
Dude, we have 2 aircrafts around us.
I know, right?
We got a B fighter as well. कौन है भाई हमारे पीछे?
Speed behind me. Get him.
Hurricane behind me. Shit. Coming. Turning. Hold on.
Wait, I might get on his 6.
Bhai, this Hurricane is on me. He's going to take me.
Ja. Disengage. I'm on his 6.
He did not. कहाँ पे? Oh shit! This Spit got me. Ouch.
Not head back to the base.
Where is that fucking Hurricane?
Down. Critical hit on Spit.
Awesome. I'm taking that Hurricane. Whoa, he's coming right for me.
Spitfire.
Nahi, Hurricane.
Go for him.
Dude, he has beaten the shit out of me. I need help.
Okay, coming.
I am literally a fractured guy right now. That's on me. That Spit's on me. He's smoking hard and he is on me.
You asked me to leave the Spit. I went after the Hurricane. Now Spit's on you.
I'm on the Hurricane. Hurricane down.
Dude, I critically damaged him. No, No, I did not. But I
Hurricane
hit
down.
him.
Hurricane down. Don't worry about the hurricane anymore. That Spitfire's on me. Take him, man.
Wait. Where is that fucking Spitfire? I don't see him.
He's right on my 6.
He's actually okay.
Okay, this guy's
break
down.
right.
Braking.
He won't. He'll come on my 6. You know what? Break left. Hey, yeah. He's on me.
I see him.
Wait.
I'm turning around on him. Brake left if you can. Brake left.
Breaking left.
Dude, I'm at stall speed. I can't even turn properly anymore.
I'll just.
There's someone on me. What?
Seriously, dude.
Okay, I'm on this Spitfire. Hold on. भाई मेरे पीछे कोई है, उसको तू मारियो, मैं Spitfire को मारने लगा हूँ थोड़ी देर में.
Okay, there's a hurricane on your 6. Oh my god.
Fire down for sure. Got that Spitfire. He's out of dogfight.
Okay,
He's out of dogfight.
Break left. I mean right.
He's down. Take the hurricane behind me. Shit.
Break down. Break.
Braking already left.
Where is he? Okay, I see him. Hold on. Break right.
Braking. Get him.
I hit him once. Yeah, he's off you.
Holy shit, I'm turning around. I don't see him. I see him. Nice, dude. Nice job, man. Fucking awesome.
He might go down.
I'll fucking make sure he goes.
जा रहे हैं.
I'm on him now. Holy shit.
That was epic. Can you dogfight or you do want to land?
I can. I'm injured, but I can. Chill. My engine is fine, so I can do it. I'm catching up to him.
How about your wings? I'll get him. Go and land.
Every part other than the engine is red.
Go land. I'll get him.
You getting him? Should I get him?
Yeah, I'll get him. Only thing is my aiming is really bad.
I can take him right now.
I'll get him. Go and land. Okay, get him. Take him down if you can.
On him. Stop firing. He's down.
Back.
Awesome shit, dude. Awesome shit.
Let's go and land. Okay, we have a friendly airfield.
Look at my aircraft.
We have a friendly airfield around us. Airstrip, I mean.
Alpha के पीछे. I know that. I know.
Where is that airstrip? Let me check.
Follow me.
Okay, I see it. It's right in front of me. Okay, 2 aircrafts left and only 126 bullets. Okay, we need to land.
Well, we got 5 guys. That's good shit.
Alright, we did. Actually 4.
5, eh?
4.
Acha, हाँ. 3 plus 1. Okay, yeah.
You see, I'm a really good leader. Haha.
Good shit. वही ना, you were behind me, so you could see what's going on. मेरे को साला पता ही नहीं था क्या चल रहा है मेरे.
हाँ तो मैं जो बोला तूने फॉलो किया तो बच गया ना.
Yep. Just I'm comfortably, but that's good. भाई तुम्हारे यार क्या हालत देखेगा ना तू भी.
The runway so नजदीक.
Shit. Low speed stall.
Dude, my approach. Look at my approach. Look at my epic approach.
Dude, if I'm
gonna crash.
I will crash horribly. Dude, मेरे से नहीं होगा ये लैंड भाई.
तो crash land कर लेना.
Okay, wait, I'm landing.
I might have to make another run. I will have to make another run. Because I was just moving around, you know. Did you land? Did you manage to land?
Yep, on the ground.
Okay, I'll make another run.
Yep, there we go, on the ground.
We still have 2 aircrafts and our team cannot do shit. We've got only 3 real life players and 2 AIs. If you count AIs then may God help. Dude, I'll have to make a proper run. Or I'll have to land without
क्या कर रहा है? Leader? क्या करना पे?
नहीं बे, पट जाएगा. I'm at 200.
अरे बाप रे बाप.
कर दिया. Actually, I crash landed. LOL.
बचाइयो, देखना तब टूट जाए ना, टूट जाना इधर उधर.
I'm really good at crash landing.
How much time?
I'm at the end of the runway. Perfect end of the runway. 1 minute.
I'm taking a screenshot to show you what my aircraft looks like at the moment.
Okay.
Dude, मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Except for the engine part, every part of my aircraft is red.
But I saved your ass at least.
हाँ, you did. मैं वही तो बोल रहा हूँ. I was that critical. And I took down 2 aircrafts with damaged aircraft. कितना time है तेरे को?
135 seconds. Why do I feel that this F4F is going to crash into me? Oh my fucking god! Don't!
नहीं, runway पे crash नहीं होता. Runway पे crash नहीं होता.
Okay, yes, actually, that is true.
Dude, we have 2 enemy aircrafts left and 3 friendly.
Including all of them are on the runway.
Exactly. हम 2 और मैं take off करते हैं. Let's take.
So we'll get 6 kills out of 9.
Awesome. How many aircrafts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. अबे साले 50% तो आपने ऐसे ही चेप दिया.
You want me to upload this video on YouTube?
कर दियो.
Okay, because I was leading.
चल ठीक है.
हाँ चल. तेरा कब का हो गया था तेरा?
हाँ मैं बैठा हुआ था तेरे लिए.
हाँ लिमिट आउट.
पेड़ है बे मेरे सामने. I hate this.
P40 for the win. That red nose.
Okay, Spitfire.
Where is he? Okay, I see him.
O'clock.
You know what? Break left. Turn around and flank him.
Yep.
I'll take him head on.
समझ गया भाई, समझ गया. Tension ही नहीं. What if he comes for me? मेरे को head on चाहिए.
He won't. And most probably I'll get him.
Okay, he's going for you.
I know, right?
Holy shit! What the fuck?
Motherfucker. Did you
Okay,
die?
never mind. नहीं, I am. हाँ, वो तो मर गया.
Did I get the kill?
No, both of you crashed apparently.
I could have, I hate this dude.
कोई नहीं, एक एयरक्राफ्ट बाकी है, मैं ले लूँगा, हो जाएगा खत्म. And that's a Viewfighter. That's the best part.
Actually, I did a pretty good job for our team.
Yep. But seriously यार, crash नहीं करना चाहिए था तेरे को, पता है?
But I did not, dude. He was going down.
Head-on control भी नहीं कर सकते ना.
He was going down, and on the last moment he pulled up. And as far as for my bad aim, otherwise I could have got him.
मैंने पता है क्या किया? The moment you started firing ना, I turned right and I was leading him with shots.
Actually, I know what, I shouldn't have asked you to break left. I should have asked you to take him head on.
नहीं, head on भाई मेरे से कभी नहीं होता.
Seriously?
नहीं होता. Okay, I need to avoid this head on with the Viewfighter, man. He'll rape me otherwise.
He has a cannon?
Yep.
Okay.
Big ones.
You know what? Do a lag roll to the left.
I'm on his ass now.
Nice. He's gonna climb.
He can't. He doesn't have the speed to.
No, just circle around. Don't climb. Just circle around.
वही कर रहा हूँ भाई.
Nice. Kick his ass. You overshot him. Bad lag. Okay, nice. This is nice. Where is he? Oh, okay. Oh, perfect. Kick his ass. I hope you're going after the right wing. Left wing. Oh my god, Dishi bro.
I'm not going to let this guy take the kill. Got it!
Yeah, yes. He crashed. He chopped his wing off.
Oh, that guy crashed into me.
You chopped his wing off, dude.
Oh, yes.
Epic gameplay.
Fuck.
So I got only one kill, but this gameplay was epic because I saved.
तेरी आवाज कम आ रही है बे.
Just tell me something. How good I saved.